Hi, it's me, your favorite local neighborhood Joker. I don't know what my hair is doing, so let's just ignore that. Dean and I saw Joker yesterday. I'm going to chit chat while I throw some makeup on. I'm going to use the Banana Bright Henriksen primer. Dean and I saw Joker yesterday, and by the time you're watching this, we saw it like a week ago. But wow, it was amazing. It was fantastic. It was great. Best movie I've seen, like, in a long time. Just wow. Just Joaquin Phoenix. I don't usually like Joaquin Phoenix. He's a weird dude, but I think that's why this worked so well for him, because this Joker is like a weird dude. Like, oh god, it's just so good. I had so many emotions. I was uncomfortable at some points, which was great, but yeah, it was really good. So good. Wow. I don't want to talk about it too much because I don't want to spoil anything for anybody who hasn't seen it, because there are some, like, twists and turns. Ooh, scary. No, but it's really good. It's a really good movie. We enjoyed it. I'm going to use my Milk stick. I have this in light medium. When I first got it, I was like, that's not a good color. It looks like darker in the packaging, like, what's the word I'm looking for, than it does when it's like actually on and blended. So I just kind of swipe some on, and I like this kind of like fluffier foundation blending brush, kind of buff it all around. This is from Violet Voss. Mushing it around. And it doesn't really like seem to set. It's very creamy, so you have some time to like play with it and smush it around. Yes, that's a technical term. Smush it around. Just smush it around. And I do kind of you can see some like heavy swipes and buff it in all over, and then if I need it, I can go in with a little bit more swipes like here and there to, there's a loose hair, to kind of build up some coverage. I pat a little bit more too. Kind of do a mix of buffing and patting. So that's that. It's medium coverage. I can still see like my hyperpigmentation a little bit here, but it's not so bad that I feel like I need to go over it again. It has a really nice, like, skin-like finish to it. I really like this foundation. Really easy to just like chuck it on, like smush it all around and blend it and be done. I'm gonna use my Sephora collection concealer, just a little bit. I don't need a lot of concealer right now. Powder under my eyes. And I really like how the skin's looking right now. Like, really nice and like glowy and fresh and healthy. So I'm gonna strategically powder. So I'm just gonna do like the center of my face. So my chin, up here on my forehead, nose, lip, around the nose. And then I get oily first, like right here on the apple of my cheek. So I'm gonna put a little bit of powder there too. So the center of me is matted down, but if I turn, I still have like that nice healthy glow. Zoomed you in. I'm too lazy to do actual eyebrows, so I'm just gonna put what is this, Gimme Brow from Benefit in it. Okay, one thing I want to say about Joker, and this is not a spoiler. This is not a spoiler. They make it clear from like the very beginning of the film that Arthur, Joker, is very mentally ill. They make that clear from the very beginning. Because there was a lot of crap going on right when the movie was about to be released from like filmmakers and just like critics and people in general being like, well, this is gonna make people like emulate Joker and there's gonna be another like Colorado shooting. No, that's not. They make it very clear from the beginning that there's something like severely wrong with this man. It's not like, oh, here's a normal dude just normaling his way around life and oh, all this stuff happens and now he's the Joker. Like, no, they don't do it like that. Which I think is great. It's very well done. Pro Prime. I'm not really doing like eyeshadow. I'm just gonna do like some bronzer. Call it a day. Also, I know that my last videos, the palette A to Z and then the Shop My Stash video were like a little discombobulated. They're not, I mean, the Shop My Stash video is probably always going to be like that because I'm, like the tutorial for it, because I'm never going to have a eyeshadow palette like in my Shop My Stash. So those videos are going to be a little discombobulated, like a single A to Z with the Shop My Stash tutorial. Does that make sense? Like those are going to be a little discombobulated. All the other palette A to Z's are going to be more like full on with like the full look. That was just like trying to film 2 videos at one time, so they were separate things that I had to do together and then do separately. So I'm sorry that that was a little discombobulating. Those are going to be the only videos that are like that, sorry. I'm going to take my Fenty bronzer. You didn't see that at all. There you go. Ding. And I'm just going to throw this everywhere. I've definitely done this in a video before. Just take your bronzer and chuck it all over. There was something gray in this, on this brush. Oh well. Just chuck it all over. One, two, three, easy smoky eye. And I'm just gonna chuck a little bit of this under here too. Easy, done. With eyeshadow at least. If you want to add like highlighter with your highlighter or whatever in the corners and all that, I don't want to do that, but you can do that. Okay, I'm gonna do a wing liner. Who am I? There's no liner. Here it is. I haven't done a wing liner in forever. I can't really do wing liner on camera. Are you too far away? I can't really get you closer. I can't really do wing liner on camera, but I'm gonna try, maybe. And if it just skips, then you'll know that I couldn't do wing liner on camera. So I'm just gonna line. I also can't talk and do it at the same time. Really close to my lash line first. This is a mistake. I shouldn't be doing this. Okay, the easiest way I think to do wing liner is to look straight into your mirror, and you're going to hold the liner like at the angle, line it up with your lower lash line. I'm going to have to hold my mirror up to do this, sorry, I'm going to blind you. Hold it up, angle it with your lower lash line, and just like lay it down. So you can see it's not connected, but that's okay. This is just giving me like a general guideline of where my line needs to go. And then do the same on the other side, try to get them to match. Okay. And then you can just connect it all together. If you have hooded eyes like I do, you're gonna have to like finagle this a little bit. But just like do your best. I can't do this on camera. I'm just gonna finagle my way around this and I'll come back to you. I have wings. They're not totally even, but I don't care. If I keep fiddling with them, I'm just gonna make it worse. So I'm just gonna leave them as is and I'm gonna curl my lashes and we're gonna move on. I have the air conditioner on. Sorry if you can hear it. I didn't think about it till right now. Nope, don't need that. Need this one. I've been trying the Milk Kush primer. And I think I like it. I'm not really sure yet. So I'm going to use it again today. The first time I used it, I think I mentioned this in my last video, I didn't wait for it to dry. So when I put the mascara on top, I just had like 3 lashes because they all just smushed together. So I've learned to wait for it to dry, and I just put it on the top. I don't need it on the bottom. So we're just gonna hang out for a minute and leave that there. But so I like the Kush waterproof on top of this, but not by itself. By itself, it doesn't really give me anything. Like I guess it looks like long, but not like full. And I don't want long. I want full. So if I wear this by itself, I get long, which is not really what I want. If I wear it on top of this, I get long and full, which is what I want. Mostly the full part, but I don't like it by itself. But like, so I curl my lashes, I put the primer on, then I have to wait, then my curl is falling. So by the time I put my waterproof mascara on, which I'm wearing to try and hold the curl's already kind of dead. So that's that. I have another lash primer that when I rotate, I'll probably rotate into that one. But this is like, I'm not really getting everything. I'm not getting the best of both worlds here. You know what I mean? I'm just kind of getting a little bit at a time, and I just want it all together. I just want to be able to go and be done. But I can't do that with this. So is this dry enough? Oh, wait another like few seconds. My skin looks great. Dark mode is the best thing Apple's ever done for their phones. Okay, I'm gonna put this on now. I didn't wait long enough. They look crazy. I feel like I didn't wait long enough and now my lashes look crazy. I forgot to put liner on the inside of my eye. Whoops. This is such an easy, like, trick that anybody can do. If you're wearing liner on the top, are these lashes stuck together? If you're wearing liner on the top, just put liner in your tight line, like up here. Just shove it in there and wiggle it. It kind of tickles. Feels funny. I don't know if you can see a difference between this eye and this eye. This eye has black in the tight line and this eye doesn't. It just gets rid of those little like fleshy bits that are peeking out, so the eye looks a little bit more complete. Okay, eyes are done. Ideally, this is an easy, like, simple look that you can just throw on if you're good at wing liner. If you're like me, however, and you're not, this takes like 15 minutes to do, just doing eyeliner, but something's stuck to my eye here. So that's that. Let's just finish the face. Hello. Hi. Bronzer. I'm not going to contour because this is supposed to be like an easy face makeup, easy makeup, and I don't want to contour. So just going back to my Fenty bronzer and bronzing up my face. Cheek, forehead, jaw. Not under your jaw, on your jaw. Because that's where the sun would hit you. Some people like to do over their nose. I don't like to do over my nose. I think it looks funny over my nose. I feel like I don't have the face shape for over my nose. But if you like to put bronzer over your nose, because the sun does hit the top of your nose, or the, like, across, what? Bridge of your nose. So if you want to do that, you can. I just don't like to. Not on myself. My Hourglass blush palette. I absolutely love this thing. I'm gonna do this one here, which is Strobe Blush in Brilliant Nude. Alright, because we have a lot of like nude tones. We're very like bronze goddess right now. Why did I say it like that? Bronze goddess. I don't know what's happening. Anyways, put some blush on. Yes. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm not going to put any highlight on because my skin's already glowy from the foundation, and then this blush has like a goldy glow to it, so I don't need any more highlight. This is fine. This is enough. I think what I'm gonna do though, because now my nose looks naked because normally I would put highlight there, is I'm gonna take a little bit of the blush and just put that around my nose because I want some glow here still. I don't want the nose to be too matte. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, super soft glow. Okay, good. This is the one lip I haven't worn yet that I picked for Shop My Stash, and this one is Ashton from Anastasia, so I'm gonna put this on because the other lips I have wouldn't really go anyways. Okay, spray your face. Close your mirror. Spray your face. Where's the hole? I can't get demonetized. Inhaled it. Oh, God. Doesn't smell good. Don't inhale your setting spray. Oh, I just hit myself on the nose. What can I do with this hair to make it not look like this? Alright, that's better. So here's the finished look. What is happening here? Anyways, that's the final look. This hair's not working with me. But easy fall look. Fall lip, bronzer on your eye, wing liner, or maybe not a wing liner. If you just want a regular liner, then put regular liner. Either way, bronzer on your eye, bronzer on your face, fall lip, easy fall. So that's that. This is this. This is that. Thanks. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look. Look at my cheek. Oh, I mean, I'm gonna look like an oil slick in like an hour, but look at it now. Gorgeous. Okay, yes. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you saw Joker and you want to chat to me about it, you can DM me on social media or put a comment or whatever, and we'll talk about Joker. But yes, this is this. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you soon. Bye.